Hello, this is Mr. Warren doing a orientation for language arts. I'm using third grade just as an example because most of the programs that are in third grade are also in your other classes. I'm going to go ahead and open up quarter 4. That's the quarter we're in right now. I'm going to go to the week that we're in. You can see there's lots of different assignments in each week. As you're going through the assignment, you should be working in some of these every day, like for example, like keyboarding and handwriting is only once a week, but Spelling Studies is a program that I would like students to be working in every day. So that's going to be the next program. I'm going to click on that link. When you do that, it'll say there's another link that you're supposed to go to. I know it's kind of frustrating. You just keep clicking. It seems like a lot of clicking. We try to reduce those that we can. I've logged us in now as a student just to show you what the spelling program is going to look like. When you log in, it'll show you the week that we're currently working on. You can see that this is week 13. And what students should be doing is they should be working from left to right through each of the programs. And as you work from left to right, eventually you'll get down to the very last two items, and they are the vocabulary test me and the spelling test me. Now, if you're having some issues where you need to go to an assignment that maybe you missed, those missed assignments should show up down here. There is another way to do that, and that is to go, there's a thing called List and Games, and you could click on List and Games, and then you could go to whichever list you needed to go to. You could say, well, this is a list I need to go to, and you could go right to the test. Now, if you have already taken the test, and the student already has, you can see that the test me box that should be here and the vocabulary test, it's gone. You can see that what's left here is the spelling practice and the vocabulary practice. However, if we click on that again, and let's try a different week, you can see here's week 13. That test hasn't been taken. I don't recommend that you go right to these and take those without going through the activities. It's much better to just go ahead and go through these different activities that are right here. They help you learn the words. If you'll just do 2 of these today, one here and one there, and then the next day come in and do 2 more, you'll find that that's going to help you learn those words more. All right. If you have any other questions, please contact me, but that's how Spelling City works.